Birds have always fascinated us with their grace, intelligence, and unique abilities. From their vibrant feathers to their melodious songs, they never cease to amaze. But beyond what meets the eye, there are countless intriguing facts about birds that make them even more remarkable. In this video, we're diving into 51 amazing bird facts that will help you appreciate these creatures even more. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed by the wonderful world of birds. Ravens, the unexpected mimics. Ravens are renowned for their intelligence, but did you know they can mimic human speech and sounds? In captivity, these clever birds can replicate human voices, mimic the sound of flushing toilets, and even imitate engines revving up. In the wild, ravens are known to mimic the calls of other animals, a testament to their incredible adaptability. Birds aren't all about survival. Many engage in interspecies play. Crows and ravens, for instance, are especially playful, interacting not just with each other, but also with humans and other animals. Their playful nature is a sign of their complex emotions, from joy to surprise. And they even show signs of lifelong partnerships, sticking with the same mate for life. Think twice before you cross a crow. These intelligent birds, part of the raven family, can recognize human faces and even remember them for years. They are known to navigate human environments with ease and even hold funerals for their dead, a display of their deep social bonds and intelligence. Ducks have a fascinating survival technique. They can sleep with one eye open. When resting in groups, the ducks on the outer edges keep one side of their brain alert, allowing them to watch for predators while the rest of the group sleeps soundly. The Hoatzin, often called the stink bird due to its peculiar odor, has chicks with claws on their wings. These claws help them climb trees and pull themselves out of water. Though these claws disappear after 3 months, they are crucial for the chick's survival in their early days. The Peregrine falcon holds the title of the fastest bird on Earth, reaching speeds of up to 389 kilometers per hour or 242 miles per hour during its hunting dives. On level flight, the common swift comes close with a top speed of 169 kilometers per hour or 105 miles per hour. Featherweight champions, hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are among the smallest birds in the world, with many species weighing less than a nickel. The bee hummingbird, for instance, weighs just 1.6 grams, less than a penny. Despite their tiny size, these birds are powerful flyers, capable of incredible aerial maneuvers. The ostrich, big eyes, bigger vision. Ostriches boast the largest eyes of any land animal, even bigger than their brains. These massive eyes, about the size of billiard balls, give them excellent vision, crucial for spotting predators in the vast savannas they call home. Cardinals, the ant-covered birds. Cardinals have a curious habit of covering themselves in ants. Known as anting, this behavior might help them rid their feathers of parasites. Though the exact reason remains a mystery, it's just one of the many peculiar habits birds have developed over time. Feathers, a bird's unique feature. Birds are the only animals on Earth that have feathers. These intricate structures serve multiple purposes, from aiding in flight to regulating body temperature and attracting mates. While not all birds can fly, like penguins and ostriches, every bird species has feathers, setting them apart from all other animals. Gentoo penguins, speedsters of the sea. Among the fastest swimming birds, Gentoo penguins can reach speeds of 22 miles per hour or 36 kilometers per hour. Their streamlined bodies make them agile hunters in the water, where they spend much of their lives. In contrast, emperor penguins can stay submerged for up to 18 minutes, a testament to their incredible diving abilities. The wandering albatross. Sleep while you fly. The wandering albatross, with its massive wingspan, can glide for hours without flapping its wings. These birds can even sleep while flying, covering vast distances over the open ocean as they search for food. Owls, masters of rotation. Owls are famous for their ability to turn their heads nearly 360 degrees, a skill they need because their eyes are fixed in place. This unique adaptation allows them to spot prey in almost any direction without moving their bodies. Birds and bladders. A lighter load. Most birds lack bladders, which helps keep them lightweight for flight. Instead of producing liquid urine, birds excrete waste in a white, pasty form. Interestingly, ostriches are an exception, with separate pathways for urine and feces. Birds sense the changing seasons. Birds can sense the arrival of winter through subtle changes in their environment. Hormonal shifts cause them to gain weight in preparation for migration, and they can detect minute changes in air pressure that signal approaching weather changes. Parrots, the masters of speech. Parrots, particularly African grey parrots, are known for their ability to learn and mimic human speech. Some can memorize hundreds of words and even understand simple commands, showcasing their impressive cognitive abilities. Bassian thrushes, the farting foragers. The Bassian thrush has a unique way of finding food. It uses its farts to startle worms hiding in leaf piles. This quirky behavior helps the bird uncover its prey, a fascinating example of nature's ingenuity. Budgies, the yawn contagion. Budgerigars, or common parakeets, are the only bird species known to experience contagious yawning. This behavior, observed in humans and some mammals, might be an ancient form of empathy or a way to maintain group awareness. Birds have a specialized network of blood vessels that helps them retain heat even in cold environments. This adaptation is crucial for species that live in freezing temperatures, allowing them to stand on ice without losing too much body heat. Penguins are known for their agility in water, but they're also impressive jumpers. Some species can leap up to 9 feet out of the water, a skill that helps them escape predators and navigate their icy environments. Though descended from dinosaurs with teeth, modern birds have lost their teeth. Instead, they have beaks adapted to their diets. With ridges that help them grip food, they swallow their prey whole, using their gizzards to grind food for digestion. Flamingos, you know, they're quite the romantic birds. They form lifelong bonds, with some pairs staying together for over 50 years. These social birds also form strong friendships and are often seen in small groups that stay close throughout their lives. Owls, on the other hand, are known as whole prey eaters. They often swallow their prey whole, particularly smaller animals like mice and insects. Later, they regurgitate indigestible parts like bones and fur in the form of pellets, a process that helps them efficiently process their food. And did you know that every female bird, whether mated or not, has the ability to lay eggs? Egg color varies widely, with some species laying brown, blue, or even green eggs. This fascinating reproductive trait is a key aspect of bird biology. Birds often form flocks, moving in unison for protection. This behavior confuses predators and allows the birds to keep watch in all directions, making it harder for a predator to target a single bird. Birds are masters of communication, using a combination of vocalizations and visual displays to convey messages. From songs to wing flapping, these signals play crucial roles in courtship, territory defense, and social interactions. Birds play vital roles in ecosystems, from pollinating plants to controlling pests. Their activities contribute to agriculture and help maintain the balance of nature, making them indispensable to our planet's health. The bee hummingbird, measuring just 5 to 6.1 centimeters, is the smallest bird in the world. Despite its size, it's a powerful flyer and plays an important role in pollination. The kiwi, native to New Zealand, is the only bird with nostrils at the tip of its beak. This adaptation helps it sniff out food in the soil, compensating for its poor eyesight. Ostriches lay the largest eggs of any bird species, with each egg weighing around 3 pounds. The kiwi, though smaller, lays the largest egg relative to its body size, a remarkable feat in the bird world. The Japanese crested ibis, a rare beauty. With fewer than 50 individuals left, the Japanese crested ibis is one of the rarest birds on Earth. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect this critically endangered species. Sleeping safely on branches. Birds have a unique tendon locking mechanism in their feet that allows them to sleep securely on branches without falling off. This adaptation ensures they can rest without fear, even while perched in trees. The Arctic tern, a long-distance traveller. The Arctic tern undertakes the longest migration of any bird, travelling from the Arctic to Antarctica and back each year, a round trip of about 50,000 miles. Their remarkable journey takes them from pole to pole, experiencing 2 summers each year. Pigeons, the heroes of war. During World War I and II, pigeons were used to deliver vital messages across enemy lines. Their incredible homing ability made them reliable messengers, and their contributions saved countless lives. Chickens, the world's most abundant bird. Chickens are the most numerous bird species on the planet, with billions raised for their eggs and meat. Despite their ubiquity, chickens are intelligent animals with complex social structures and a range of vocalizations. The colour-changing bird of paradise. Some species of birds of paradise can change the colour of their feathers by simply changing the direction of light that hits them. This dazzling display is used in their elaborate courtship dances, captivating potential mates. The adaptable mockingbird. Mockingbirds are famous for their ability to mimic the songs of other birds as well as other sounds in their environment. This adaptability allows them to thrive in various habitats, from urban areas to dense forests. The Arctic puffin, a bird of 2 worlds. The Arctic puffin is an exceptional swimmer, diving up to 200 feet to catch fish. However, it's also a strong flyer, travelling long distances between its breeding and feeding grounds. The social lives of magpies. Magpies are highly social birds, known for their complex social structures and problem-solving abilities. They can recognise themselves in mirrors, a sign of their high intelligence, and are often seen engaging in playful activities. The resilient rock ptarmigan is a bird of the Arctic, perfectly adapted to its frigid environment. It changes its plumage from brown in summer to white in winter, blending in with the snow to avoid predators. Swifts are incredible birds that can stay in the air for months at a time, even sleeping while flying. They catch insects in mid-air and can cover thousands of miles during their migrations. The pink glow of flamingos comes from the carotenoid pigments in the algae and crustaceans they eat. Without these pigments, flamingos would lose their vibrant hue and turn a pale white or grey. Eagles have some of the best eyesight in the animal kingdom, with vision that's 4 to 8 times sharper than that of a human. This incredible vision allows them to spot prey from great distances, making them formidable hunters. Penguins have several adaptations that help them survive in cold environments, including a layer of insulating fat and densely packed feathers. These features allow them to thrive in the harsh climates of Antarctica. Owls have remarkable night vision, with large eyes that can gather more light in the dark. This adaptation makes them efficient nocturnal hunters, capable of spotting prey even in the dimmest conditions. The communal roosting of starlings. Starlings often gather in large flocks, known as murmurations, creating mesmerizing aerial displays. These gatherings provide safety in numbers and help the birds keep warm during cold nights. The altruistic side of crows. Crows have been observed engaging in acts of altruism, such as sharing food with others or helping injured companions. This behavior reflects their strong social bonds and high level of intelligence. The mimicry of the lyrebird. The lyrebird is a master mimic, capable of imitating a wide range of sounds, including chainsaws, car alarms, and other bird calls. This impressive ability is used in their courtship rituals to attract mates. Birds of paradise are known for their extraordinary plumage and intricate courtship dances. These birds have evolved some of the most striking colors and patterns in the animal kingdom, making them a wonder to behold. The bar-headed goose holds the record for the highest altitude flight of any bird, reaching heights of up to 29,000 feet as they migrate over the Himalayas. Their incredible endurance and ability to survive in low oxygen environments make them unique among birds. The dodo, a flightless bird native to Mauritius, became extinct in the 17th century due to overhunting and the introduction of non-native species by humans. The dodo's extinction is a powerful reminder of the impact humans can have on wildlife and the importance of conservation. Birds are truly a marvel of nature, each species offering something unique and fascinating. Whether it's their incredible intelligence, stunning colors, or remarkable adaptations, birds continue to inspire and amaze us. We hope these 51 facts have deepened your appreciation for these incredible creatures. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the natural world. Thank you for watching.